Hello students, today we are going to learn last topic of chapter 5, right? Exercise 5.8. Here we have to learn Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. First I am explaining Rolle's theorem. According to Rolle's theorem, let fx be a real valued function defined on closed interval AB. Closed interval means here is square bracket, such that number 1, fx is continuous on closed interval AB, fx is differentiable on open interval AB. Here closed interval or here open interval, you will remember this. And third point is fa should be equals to fb. If these three conditions will be satisfied, then there exists at least one C belongs to open interval AB. Then we'll get at least one value of C, so that f dash C equals to 0. This is Rolle's theorem. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am explaining mean value theorem. Okay. So mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. Right? Everything will be same except fa equals to fb. Third point, not required for mean value theorem. These two conditions are required for mean value theorem. Then there exists at least one C belongs to AB, so that f dash C will not be 0 here. Here f dash C equals to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. Understood everyone? That means let fx be a real valued function defined on closed interval AB, such that fx is continuous on closed interval AB, fx is differentiable on open interval AB. Then there exists at least one C belongs to AB, so that f dash C equals to fb minus fa upon b minus a. This is called mean value theorem. So here two questions I am explaining of exercise 5.8, question number 1 and question number 4. In first questions we have to verify Rolle's theorem, and in question number 4 we have to verify mean value theorem. Generally we are getting as a 4 marks question in board examination, okay, from this topic. So I'll rub this. Question number 1. Read that question. In question number 1, they are asking verify Rolle's theorem, and function is given. Answer 1. fx is given x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x minus 8, where x belongs to minus 4 close interval minus 4 comma 2, right? This is a function, and what type of function it is? It is polynomial function, and defined on close interval minus 4 comma 2. We have to verify Rolle's theorem. That means we have to check we'll get f dash C equals to 0 or not. So here 3 points we have to satisfy first. Since fx is a polynomial function, right? If fx is a polynomial function, then we can say that fx is continuous on closed interval minus 4 comma 2. We know that every polynomial function will be continuous, right? So directly and logically we can write this point. Since fx is a polynomial function, implies fx is differentiable on open interval -4 comma 2. Here close interval, here open interval. Now find fa. Fa equals to f minus 4. So it is -4 whole square plus 2 into -4 minus 8. So we'll get 0. And fb equals to f2. Then it is 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. So here also we'll get 0. It means fa equals to fb. So all three conditions of Rolle's theorem are what? Verified? Sorry, satisfied, not verified. Till now, satisfied. If all three conditions are satisfied, then f dash c equals to 0, right? F dash c means f dash x equals to 2x plus 2. So f dash c will be 2c plus 2, that is equals to 0. So here c equals to -1, and this it belongs to open interval -4 comma 2. So therefore we can say that Rolle's theorem is verified. Right? Understood, everyone? Okay, this was answer of question number 1. Now question number 4. Here we have to verify mean value theorem, right? Answer 4. Answer 4. Function, just check question number 4. Fx equals to x square minus 4x minus 3 defined on, that means x belongs to close interval 1 comma 4, right? Okay, so here two conditions we have to satisfy, and this is also polynomial function. Directly we will write, since fx is a polynomial function, implies fx is continuous on close interval 1 4. Since fx is a polynomial function, so we can say fx is differentiable on open interval 1 4. Here f dash x also find, it will be 2x minus 4. If you keep, then f dash c we have to write. So two conditions required for mean value theorem. So here we will write all conditions of mean value theorem are satisfied. So If all conditions of mean value theorem are satisfied, then we can write f dash c equals to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. This was theorem, mean value theorem. So f dash c, here f dash x is 2x minus 4, so f dash c is 2c minus 4. fb means f4 minus f1 upon 4 minus 1, right? So 2c minus 4, calculate f4. f4, that means put value of x equals to 4 here. So 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3 bracket minus f1, similarly 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3 upon 3, right? If we calculate this, then we will get 3. 2c minus 4 equals to what? We'll get 3, we'll get 3 cancel. Okay, now this is implies c equals to 5 by 2, so this is 2.5 and it belongs to open interval 1, 4, right? So that means 1 point we got which is belongs to open interval 1, 4. Therefore mean value theorem is verified. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you everyone.